17 feet. The front axle is further down. Okay, checking now. All right, that's one.
Needs to hold.
It will. Let's get the other. Keep tension on the cables. Easy, easy, we've got it. Steady as she goes. Hold it there. Hold, steady. Ease her down. Easy. And stop. Almost there.
Keep going, you've got this.
Just one more pull. All right, crew, engage the hydraulics. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance.
Hydraulic pressure holding. Blocks are in.
Solid. Lower it down slowly.
Keep pushing it, we can't stop.
We're almost out of the deep stuff.
Keep scrubbing, we're making progress. All right, just gotta get this last patch.
All right, time to break down this engine grease.
Stand clear, that steam's hot.
Just need to hit these heavy deposits.
Looking good.
Keep the pressure steady on those hubs. Almost got this one clear. Watch the steam. Keep scrubbing the grill. We're not through the deep layer yet. Got it.
Looks like it's all rust underneath.
Yeah, push the water pressure higher on the door. I found it. The original serial number plate. Just as I hoped. Come on, you stubborn thing. Finally. That's one down, 27 to go. All right, engagement is secure. Lift slowly now. Watch the piping. Clear? Good. Set it down over there. Nicely done. Keep it steady. Up slowly. Good. Move it right now. The chassis rails are thin here, only measuring 1.5 millimeters.
Okay.
That's consistent with the heavy corrosion exposure. Come on, you stubborn hunk of rust. Grunts. Gotcha. All right, slowly now. Ease it up, ease it up.
Okay, got it.
Watch the mounts, don't rush. Clear the workspace. Almost through this section. Looks like it. Keep at it.
Chains are secured. Initiating lift sequence. Maintain caution zone. Clear of the chassis. Proceed to the workbench.
Almost there. Just a little more rust on this side. All right, one more hit. There, freed. All right, crew, initiate the primary separation. Valve is open. Disengaging now. Perfect. Set it on the dolly. Let's prep for the next axle.
The engine's been in for 15 minutes.
Looks good. Let's pull it out soon.
Rotating the frame for the weld inspection.
All right, focus on those welds. The rust is heaviest there.
Yeah.
Engage the hoist and lower the blasting booth. Initiate the cycle. Perfect. We're on schedule. Keep skimming. We need to clear this rust completely. It's working fast. That primer will hold. All right, crew, let's get these rails down.
Lowering now.
Perfect. Now for the acid. Cover every bit. Keep it even on the weld patches.
Copy that, focusing on the rear axles.
Looks good, the zinc's adhering well. Okay, it's curing nicely. Ready for assembly. All right, here it is. The heart of the beast.
Keep it slow and steady. Watch those frame rails.
Looking good. Just a little further to the left.
Right there?
Perfect. Drop it. Perfect. The shine on these is incredible. These wire fangs are ready to go in. Looks like it. Let's get them fitted. All right, precision is everything here.
Looking good, Mira. Exact clearance.
Another step closer. Setting the bolts to spec. Done.
Next one.
Verified. 2 clicks mean perfect torque. 0 clearance. Just like the spec. Aligned.
Right.
Nice and smooth. A firm contact. Perfect. Next one. Torquing to 25 foot-pounds, driver's side, confirming tight. Now, the passenger side. Let's get these twins installed. All right, align. And click. Solid. All right, first stage done. Moving to the next one. And the final stage complete. Perfect torque. Time for a little lube. Got to make sure those gears don't starve on startup. Perfect. Ready to drop this in? All right, perfect timing. Tensioner's in. Looks ready. Hold, inch. Okay, inch back. Perfect, lock it down. Looking good, thumbs up.
Pulper melting that rack into now, I hate.
Perfect. That backlash is within spec. Good. Let's start torquing everything down. Slow and steady, watch the pins.
Got it, Mira.
Just a little more. All right, perfect, let it rest. Almost there. Just a little more tension. Verified. Moving to the next one.
My hat.
All right, that's one. Let's get the air out of this line. Clear flow. Ready to seal.
Keep it steady. Guide the studs. Easy, easy. Perfect. Set it down.
Got it.
Got it. Hand me that impact.
adjusted. Torque check completed on axle 1. On to axle 2. Verified. Moving to 3. Wheels are secured on all 6 ends, Mira. Almost there. Smooth, Mira. Just like the mountains in the window. Perfect. Perfect. Ready for sanding. Almost there. That vibration is really smoothing out the curve. Perfect. It's ready for the next coat. Almost done with the first coat. Need to make sure I get the teeth just right. All right, time to check the high spots. Woo. Look at that, dead flat. Perfect. The abyssal wire. Perfect finish. Now, let's reveal the real gloss. The wax should really make these reflections pop. It's already looking liquid-like. Zero swirls, zero orange peel. The abyssal wire is flawless. Perfect, that's exactly where it needs to be. All right, that's it. Crystal clear. Perfect. Almost there, just a little more pressure. Perfection. Ready for battle. Almost done, abyssal worm. Looking good. All right, just a little more. Perfect. Perfect. Locking it in. And done, looks good. And that, Goliath, is the final connection. Let's see you breathe.
System operational.
All right, these new hoses are solid. Almost done with this side. Just one more clamp. Perfect fit. Good to go. All right, bring it up slowly. Checking alignment now. Looking good. Secure the left side first, then torque down the others. Solid. It's not going anywhere. Every bolt, every connection, absolutely perfect. All right, Goliath, it's time to wake up. Power on, initializing systems. All right, old friend, let's make some noise. Oil pressure normal, coolant temp steady. All systems green. All right, time to air her up. Systems green, good to go.
Engaging drive. Smooth and powerful, just like we designed it.
The articulation is superb.
And the pneumatic suspension handles the bumps effortlessly.
Showroom ready. All right, time to prove it wasn't a waste of paint. Let's roll, Goliath. Wow, it looks amazing. Incredible work, Mira. She did it.